What?
There is a machinist outside who would like to thank you personally for giving him a job. Every day he comes, he's very grateful. It'll just take a minute. Mr. Lowenstein.
I want to thank you, sir, for giving me the opportunity to work.
You're welcome. I'm sure you're doing a great job.
VSS beat me up. They would have killed me, but I'm essential to the war effort. Thanks to you.
That's great.
I work hard for you.
I'm sure you do.
I'll continue to work hard for you.
That's great. Thanks.
God bless you, sir.
All right.
You're a good man. He saved my life.
Yes, he did.
God bless
Yeah.
you. God bless you.
Sorry, Herr Director, but you're running very late. This is for the Obersturmbannführer, sir, and this is for his niece, Greta. It's her birthday.
By the way,
Greta Essengard.
don't ever do that to me again.
Go, drive, don't bow.
Did you happen to notice that that man had one arm?
Did he?
What's his use?
Very useful.
How?
Very useful. Success!
Besen und Schaufel werden ausgeladen. Jeder nimmt sich eine und dann wird die Straße gereinigt.
We'll be late for work.
You shouldn't think of them as yours, Oskar. You need to understand that some of the officers here don't give a damn about production. To them, it's a matter of national priority that Jews be made to shovel snow. It's got nothing to do with reality, Oskar. You know it, and I know it. Jews shoveling snow. It's got a ritual significance.
Come with me.
I'm an essential worker.
Essential worker.
Yes. I work for Oskar Schindler.
Essential worker for Oskar Schindler.
Yes, yes.
Twice as useless.
I lost a day of production, Rolf.
I work for Oskar Schindler.
Danke, look at the snow. Look at the snow. Look at the snow.
I lost a worker. I expect to be compensated.
File a grievance with the economic office. It's your right.
Would it do any good?
Of course not. A big shot from the SS Budget and Construction Office came to lunch here and he told us that to believe the Jewish skilled worker had a place in Reich economics was a treasonable idea. A one-armed machinist, Oskar?
He was a metal press operator. Quite skilled.